Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. You guys may have already seen this footage if you came to one of my live streams, which are not consistent, by the way. I'm really sorry. I'm still working on that. I still have some time. But yeah, you may have already seen me draw this at the end of a live stream of mine. It was like maybe a few days after they announced all the new stuff about Pokemon and all that, and I wanted to draw all three of them, but I wanted to start with the one I liked the least, so that, like, you know, the first ones usually like kind of warmy uppy and might turn out kind of crappy, so I was fine risking that with this one, because Grookey's not really my favorite, but it's fine. So yeah, it's not really like a super like refined thing, so that's why I'm sticking it in as a Sunday video instead of a main video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.